Kegman, we have all the stuff you need to build your own jockey box. The number one question we get all the time over the phone and emails is, what's the difference between a coil and a Coldplate? Why do I need to spend a lot of money on a coil versus not as much money on a Coldplate? It really depends on what you want to use it for. If it's going to be a high volume event, you're going to be pouring a beer or a soda every few seconds, every 15 to 20 seconds, spend the money and get the 120-foot coil. The 120-foot coil has 20 feet of built-in restriction added to 100 feet of either 5/16 or 3/8. That gives that beer restriction, and that eliminates most foam issues. The Coldplate is very efficient, but doesn't have the recharge quickness as the coil does. So if you're only going to be pouring a beverage every 10 to 15 minutes, a small party, a small activity in the backyard or at the tailgate, then go with the Coldplate. And we have them in all sizes also, from 1 product, 2 product, all the way up to 6 products. Any questions, give us a call, 973-512-2028. Check out the section on Coldplate versus Coil at kegman.net. Thanks for watching.